Are you tired of seeing your hair everywhere? On your pillows, on your bonnet, on your comb, and also on the floor? What if I told you that your bald spot is not dead? Your hair follicles are just sleeping. Today, I am showing you a powerful 4 natural hair growth spray that wake up your scalp, stop hair fall, and help your hair grow thicker and stronger natural. And the crazy part, those ingredients are probably around in your kitchen. Let's get started. Please pay close attention because a little mistake can ruin everything for you, okay? Our first ingredient is onion, and I'm using 1 medium size of my purple onion. Onion is rich in sulfur, and sulfur is what your hair is made of. When your scalp lacks sulfur, your strands become weak, thinny, and fall out easily. Onions helps boost blood circulation, stimulate dormant follicles, reduce breakage, supports regrowth on thinny areas. If your edges are disappearing or your crown is thinny, onion helps fill those roots. So what I'm just doing now is to dice my 1 medium size of my purple onion. You can use white onion, but preferable, I would advise you to get purple onion because purple onion contain more sulfur, okay? So after dicing my onion, I also dice it together with the onion skin because onion skin is also very effective. So I will keep it aside and bring our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is loaded with protein and nicotinic acid. Protein rebuilds weak hair strands, while nicotinic acid improves scalp circulation. That means less shedding, thicker strands, stronger roots, and faster hair growth. Fenugreek seed also coats the hair shaft, make it feel fuller and density. So I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. If you have fenugreek powder, you can as well make use of it also. Our next ingredient is rice. Do you know that rice is not just for food for eating, it's also food for your hair too. When you soak or boil rice, the water becomes rich in natural strengthening nutrients. Those nutrients help repair weak hair, make strands stronger, reduce breakage, help you keep the length you grow. Most people think their hair is not growing, but the truth is their hair is breaking faster than it's growing. Rice water helps your hair stay stronger so it does not snap easily. And when your hair stops breaking, you finally start seeing real length. So rice equals to strength plus less breakage equals to more length retention. Don't joke with rice. Honestly, it helps a whole lot. Do not believe though that say rice does not work. Rice really work. When you use it consistent, you see how effective rice can be on your hair, okay? Meaning rice water, okay? So I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my rice. Use any type of rice you have. You can use brown rice, you can use black rice. Anyone you have available, you are free to use it, okay? Our last but not the least of our ingredient is neem leaf. Now let's talk about neem leaf. This one is powerful. If your scalp is itching, drying, full of dandruff, your hair will struggle to grow. Why? Because a dirty, irritation scalp blocks your hair follicles. Neem works like a natural scalp cleanser. It fights dandruff, reduces itchiness, cleans clogged follicles, calms scalp irritation. When your scalp is clean and healthy, your hair can grow freely. Think of Neem as preparing the soil before planting a seed. Healthy scalp equals to stronger roots and better growth. So if rice water strengthens your strands and Neem cleans your scalp, imagine what happens when both work together. So I make use of 1 full hand of my dry neem leaf. You can also use fresh neem leaf. You can also use powder neem leaf. Anyone you have available, please make sure you make use of it, okay? So I just add them into my plate pot and pour in 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. I only boil this only but 7 minutes in a very low flame heat. Do not boil it more than 7 minutes and make sure that your heat is very low, okay, so that you will not kill the nutrients of all these powerful ingredients we use in this recipe. So once it's 7 minutes later, I off my gas and I bring it down and allow it to cool down completely. Once I have cooled down completely, I bring a bowl and my shifter to strain it out. What you need is the juice. Guys, this liquid is what your hair is craving for. This liquid of tea spray can grow your hair like crazy, solve those your hair problems, and wake up that your dormant hair follicles that refuse to grow. So guys, after doing that, next thing I will do now is to bring my spray bottle to transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. As you can see, I do not add any other thing in this liquid because this liquid is loaded with nutrients our hair need, okay? So but if you want to go further, you can go ahead and add your essential oil or MSA powder or whatsoever you choose to add, like your hair growth oil. You can go ahead and add this, but for me, I'm good to go with this particular powerful 4 natural ingredients we use in this recipe. So now the most important thing on this video is how to use it. Please make sure you pay close attention so that you can achieve that good result, because any little mistake you make, you have ruined your hair, and also you have made a huge mistake on this particular spray, okay, meaning that you not get any result with it. So now how to use this powerful spray to achieve your hair goals and to solve those problems is to focus on your scalp, not on your hair strands. Yes, because the scalp is where the problem is coming from. The scalp is where the follicle have clogged, is where the itchiness, dryness, slow growth is happening. So make sure you focus this spray on your scalp to activate your follicles and to solve those your problems, and also to see faster hair growth. And once you spray it on your scalp, definitely it also go through on your hair strands. So your main focus should be on the scalp for best results. And the most important thing you must do once you spray this on your scalp, make sure you massage your scalp like 3 to 5 minutes to boost the blood circulation. This part is very important. Do not miss scalp massage, okay, for that good results. So the next thing, for those that want to use it as a leave-in treatment, please follow up with your leave-in conditioner, your hair butter, and your oil. Is very important. But if you're not using it as a leave-in conditioner, after spraying it all entire of your hair, just massage your scalp, cover up your hair, allow it to sit on your hair maybe overnight or 1 hour, then rinse it out thoroughly. Repeat this 3 to 4 times in a week. I kid you not, your hair will transform in space of 1 week of using this. There's no joke. But if you want to get that good result faster in the space of that 7 days, please use it as a leave-in treatment, because leaving it on your hair, then the spray have the long time to sit on your hair. And make sure you follow up with a good moisturizer, like as I said earlier, so that it will not dry your hair or skip out from your hair. This step is very important. If your hair is breaking easily, thinning out at the front, falling out excessively, growing too slow, always dry and weak, this combination address all of those problems at the roots, okay? But remember, consistent is the key. Natural remedies does not work overnight, but they work when you stay consistent. Give your scalp what they need and you see the reward you desire, okay? So make sure you do all this to achieve good results. So for storage, store this only in your refrigerator only about 7 days. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. Please guys, if you are not join my membership, please do well to join my membership and you get exclusive package, and believe me, you will not regret it, okay? please join. This is one of the way you can support me so that I can get money to buy more ingredients and make great videos for you guys, okay? And this is one of the way to show me love. Today is Valentine, so please, can I swear, show me some love by joining my membership, giving me super chat and super thanks. I would really appreciate that, okay? So guys, if you want more powerful natural hair growth remedy that actually work, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, share this video, okay? And once you subscribe, please make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you always notify whenever I upload amazing videos like this, okay? So let me know in comment section which hair problem are you struggling with right now. Let me know, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.